Hello students, welcome again. And today we are going to study all types of numbers. And before going detail into the all types of number, let me give you one request that please subscribe my channel. Those who are new on the channel and those who have yet not subscribed. So please subscribe my channel. Today we are going to study about all about the number. You can see here I have given the 11 kinds of number. And these are all the numbers that you need to study in your mathematics. So we have given the number. We have taken the number, natural number, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, co-prime numbers, and real numbers. And we will go one by one to study all the numbers. And first we go to natural number. What are the natural numbers? Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to infinite. So any number starting from 1 to infinite is a natural number. And we go to the whole number. Whole number are again the natural numbers, only 0 has been included. So starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to infinite is a whole number. Again we go to the integers. Integers are again the minus number included in the whole numbers become integers. So -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all the integers. So including 0 and all the negative numbers up to infinite and all the positive numbers up to infinite are the integers. Now let's go to the rational number. Rational numbers are what? Rational numbers are any numbers that can be represented in the form of p by q is a rational number. So here the rational numbers are -3 by 5, -7 by 3, 4 by 5, 6 by 7, 8 by 9. So rational numbers are any number written in the form of p by q, where q is not q is not 0 and p and q are integers. So why I am saying this q cannot be 0? Because any number given 0 in denominator, it becomes undefined. So 8 by 9 is a number, but 8 by 0 will become undefined. Again 6 by 0 will be an undefined number. So you have understood the rational numbers. Now let's come to the irrational number. What are the irrational numbers? There are the numbers which are there are the numbers which are non-terminating and non-repeating in nature, like pi, √2, √3, √10, -√2, -√5. These are the numbers known as irrational number. Why I am saying non-terminating and non-repeating? Because once you define √2, it will come 1.41 and it will go on endlessly. So these numbers are not completely defined. So exact value of these numbers are not known. After decimal we can find end numbers are there. So these numbers are known as irrational number. Now come to the even number. Numbers which can be divided by 2 is an even number, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And you can see that these numbers can be divided by 2. So 2 by 2 equal to 1, 4 by 2 equal to 2, 6 by 2 equal to 3. So these numbers are known as even numbers. And how do you find the even numbers? Even numbers, when the big numbers are there, like 3, 2, 5, 9, 7, I have taken an example, and the 3, 2, 5, 7, 8, and these numbers are there. So when at unit place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, these numbers comes, then we say that it is an even number, otherwise it is not a even number. So 3, 2, 5, 7, 8 is an even number, whereas that 5, 2, 3, 2, 5, 7, 9 is an odd number. So we have understood the even number also. Now let us come to the odd number. What are odd numbers? Numbers which cannot be divided by 2 are called odd numbers. Like numbers 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. These numbers cannot be divided by 2. So these numbers are known as the odd numbers. Again, take the example 3, 2, 5, 7, 9 and 3, 2, 5, 7, 8. And again we see the unit place, the 9 is there, and at one place 8 is there. So 8, this number is an even number, but this number is odd number. When 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 come at the unit place, then we say the number is an odd. So we can identify, just by judging at unit place, we can identify the even number and the odd numbers. Now come to the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Number which cannot be divided by other than 1 and the number itself are called the prime numbers. Like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41. We see here that we cannot divide 2, 3, 5 and the such kind of numbers by any other number other than 1 and the number itself. So 2 cannot be divided by any other number, 3 cannot be divided by any other number, 5 cannot be divided by any other number, like 29 cannot be divided by any other number other than 1 and the 29 itself. So any number which cannot be divided other than 1 or the number itself are known as the prime numbers. Now we come to the composite number. What are the composite numbers? Numbers which can be divided by other number or the numbers other than 1 and the number itself. These numbers are called composite numbers. We can take the example of 6, 8, 15, 24, 27, 39, 49, 51. And what we see in these numbers, that 6 can be divided by 2 and 3 also other than 1 and 6. 8 can be divided by 2 and 4 also other than 1 and 8. 49 can be divided by 7 other than 1 and 49. 51 can be divided by 17 other than 1 and 51. So these numbers are known as the composite numbers. But here one point you need to remember, that 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Now let's come to the co-prime number. Co-prime numbers are what? The co-prime numbers? The co-prime numbers are the numbers which do not have any common factor between them other than 1. 1 can be only one common factor between them. So let us take example 4 and 15. 4 can be factorized as 2 into 2. The factors of the 4 are 2 and the factors of the 15 are 3 and 5. But we see that there is no common factor between these two numbers. Again we take the example of 6 and 25, and 6 and 25 we see 3, 2 are the factors of 6 and 25, 5 is a factor of 25, and we find that there is no common factor between 6 and 25. So these numbers are known as the co-prime numbers. So you have understood all kinds of number, and now let's move to the next number. Now let's come to the last part, the real numbers. What are the real numbers? Real numbers are the numbers that we have seen in our previous numbers, like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational number, irrational number. These all numbers put together are called real numbers. So I have drawn a picture over here to explain it more. Let's see that the smallest circle here over is a natural number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we come to the bigger circle and we add 0 to the bigger circle outside the natural number, it becomes the whole number. It means the natural number is whole number and natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0 included, it becomes the whole number. Again we come to the integer. Integer is -1, -2, -3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the bigger circle is about integers, which consist of natural number and whole number also. Again come to the rational number, -3 by 4, 12 by 3, 4 by 3. These are all known as rational number, and rational number consists of all the numbers like rational number consists of all the numbers like natural number, whole number, integers. So this becomes a rational number. And now come to the irrational number. You know about the irrational number, pi, √2, √3 and -√5. These kind of number irrational number, and these all numbers taken together or compiled together are known as the real numbers. So student, I hope that you have all understood about the numbers, and all the level numbers I have explained. That will be very useful for your studies in your mathematics. So thank you very much, and once again requesting you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.